So hey guys, in order to make sure that we are all on the same page, I've decided to do this kind of a screen capturing video in order to make sure that we're going to work the same way, and I'm not going to urge you to do one of the same work a couple of times. I don't really know where we did this previously because as far as I remember we did, but I'm not quite sure whether you remember it or no. So this is the screen that you're gonna see. I mean, this is the document that you're gonna see in Google Docs, and the name is Ararat Clubs, English Clubs, and then Ararat. So for example, as you can see here, I've just deleted spaces, so no need to add here, just that were certain extra spaces before or after certain words, etc. So once you click here and you see that it says like deleted, or oh, sorry, it was here, like deleted places or etc., you are not correcting anything. But for example, if you click it here, you're going to see that I have a kind of a comment here. Ladies, I have some doubts here. Are you sure that the learners won't know these verbs? For example, I mean, like to hear, to smell, maybe to fight, maybe to stamp, maybe to be afraid. Maybe they wouldn't really know, but I'm not quite sure whether really they wouldn't know the verb here and the verb smell. So I don't know. So what you are going to do, you're going to type your comment here in the reply box. You're going to type it like this, and then you're gonna insert this. You're gonna click on the reply button, because if you don't do that, I will not see your comment. So once you have replied to that, do not forget to click on the reply in order to save all that you have indicated. For example, if you click here, you're going to see that I have had a kind of a comment. Which words will they recall? Because you have indicated that they will also try to recall certain words that they have already covered. But here you need to be more precise which verbs or which words you're talking about. Just again, in brackets, enumerate the words. And again, if you have anything to add, you're just going to reply here. For example, the verbs like, I don't know, table, games, and and again you're going to click on the reply button in order to save everything. I've just decided to make the short video in order to make sure that we're going to work the same way, and I wouldn't really like to have you redo whatever you are doing. So please do not, because you can see here that there is this kind of a tick which says accept suggestion, or there is this one which says reject suggestion. Please do not really click or do not really push on any of this, because I really need Ade, and Ade really needs to see how we are cooperating. And if you say accept suggestion, I will have to enter again. I will have to restore the older version, etc. And it's gonna take more time than anticipated. So please do not do anything from here. Just if you have things to add here, I'm talking about my comments. I'm not talking about adding anything like here. For example, if I have delete space, it means I've already done it, so you don't really need to reply here. But when you see that I have inserted a comment, you are just typing your reply here and you're replying to my comment. I guess this much. Just decided to make sure we do all understand the way we're going to be working, in order not to do the same job a couple of times. So that's it. Keep in touch, and again, I would like to warn you that we should have, or I'd better say we must have 3 LPs per week. So on Tuesday, the latest 10 o'clock in the evening, I should have the LP for Wednesday, so that I can insert it here, so that I have time to work on that, so that you have time to kind of react on that. And then by Thursday evening, not later than 10 p.m., I should have the LP for Friday's lesson, which is a production kind of a production LP, either written or spoken production. So please let us respect these deadlines, because sincerely, it's already kind of, how to put it a bit mildly, but that's already high time for us to really stick to the deadlines, because we are just having 2 more months to go and a month and something to go. So please respect the deadlines. See you, hear you, read you. Take care and bye-bye.